If budgeting actually worked, most people wouldn't feel stressed about money. It's not you that's the problem, it's the way budgeting is taught. Most budgets fail for three reasons. First, they're too restrictive. You're told exactly what you can and you can't spend money on. So the moment life gets busy and stressful, the budget breaks. Second, they assume perfect behaviour. No bad months, no unexpected costs, no emotional purchases. Real life doesn't work like that. And the third reason is they help you track every single penny rather than making better choices with your money. Budgets don't fail because people are bad with money, they fail because they don't actually match human behaviour. The real issue isn't spending, it's clarity. Most people don't know what they're spending their money on. So when they make a purchase, they can feel guilty about it, even though they can afford to spend it. So what works better is a simple pot system. You split your money into three different pots. The first pot is for all your everyday essentials. So this will be your rent, your mortgage, insurance, food bills, electricity, gas, etc. Your second pot is your guilt-free spending. So this is things you can spend to go on the cinema, holidays, any luxuries, new gadgets, etc. you want to buy. And the third part is your savings and investments. So these will be things that will cover any emergencies that crop up in the month. So say you have a broken car, you've already saved the money to pay for it, so you don't stress about your budget. And then you're also saving for your future, like I do for my future retirement. When you're clear on where you're spending your money, you don't worry about it anymore. Everything feels a lot simpler and you just get on with your life. In a future video, I'll discuss the 50-30-20 rule on how to do your budget. So how do you get started? So you don't need a spreadsheet for this. First of all, take home your net pay that you get paid into your bank account each month. From this, divide into three clear pots of what you need for all your different areas. First of all, start off with your fixed costs, so you make sure they're covered, and then you know what you've got left to split across your luxuries and your savings and investments. Once you've done this, the best way is to automate all your bills and everything else going out of your bank account each month, including your savings on the day you get paid. And then you know that's gone, so you don't have to worry about it and worry that you're going to spend into that money after, or worry you get to the end of the month, go, oh, I haven't got enough for my savings anymore because you've already got cleared that and done it at the beginning of your month. I'll discuss this in greater detail in a future video. If budgeting has never worked for you, it's not because you're bad with money, it's just you were given the wrong system to use. So please subscribe for future videos where I'll discuss money and life and simple strategies, including the 50-30-20 budgeting process and my free template that you can use. So hit subscribe now and see you next time on Money and Life with Ross Jenkins.